What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. Sorry about the kids yelling, they're in the pool again. But I just want to make a quick video about scammers making videos telling you to watch out for scammers. I just think it's hilarious. How can you be a scammer and tell people what scams to look out for? So, you already know who this is. Mr. Pinnacle himself just watched this video that is on his YouTube channel. I can't believe I never watched it before. It's literally the first video that you see. But y'all check out a scammer telling you what to watch out for in scammers.
There's 3 scams out there that most people are totally unaware of, and that's why it's taking you super long to repair your credit, or you've even given your money to some fly-by-night company that promised you a miracle overnight from a Craigslist ad that you saw or a sign on your way from work. I'm going to show you what to look out for when trying to repair your credit and save you months, maybe even years to repair your credit from these conveyor belt companies that send out these cookie cutter disputes that don't even work. And stop you from giving away your hard-earned cash to these fly-by-night companies that take your money and run. Number 1, the United States government. According to the Federal Trade Commission website, most negative information will stay on your credit report for 7 years. Bankruptcy information will stay on your report for 10 years. But wait a minute, if that was true, then how were we able to repair Trish and Rose's credit score and raise her score 73 points just last week? Or increase Jay's credit score by 179 points in less than 1 month by using our Fast Track credit repair program. And how were we able to remove the bankruptcy off Robert's credit report? That didn't take 7 to 10 years to remove. Now I could keep it going on and on about the positive reviews online, but we all know reviews online are fake, and clearly this is Photoshopped with the green screen behind me. So we all know to put our trust in the government, right?
Because one main way viruses spread is when you touch your own mouth, nose, or eyes. And of course, enhanced cleaning of surfaces.
Number 2, entrepreneurs. You gotta watch out for these conveyor belt credit repair companies that use these cookie cutter disputes that don't even work. Notice how they always target the masses of people and offer credit repair for dirt cheap because they know you will sign up because they make it super affordable. And cheap is always the best, right? Right? There's a saying, you get what you pay for, and it's the truth. Many companies out there are just going to give you enough information for you to sign up, then 6 months of your precious time is wasted because new credit for $99 a month. I don't know, but there's something sexy about that. Then what happens next? You start getting desperate and vulnerable to any scam that promises you an overnight miracle when they're just gonna take your money and run. That leads me to the 3rd biggest scam, which is scams themselves. So there's a lot of scams out there, but the biggest scam is yourself, scamming yourself into believe all the good things that these fly-by-night companies are promising you, miracles overnight, you've heard the story. But that doesn't necessarily mean give up. Can you repair your credit? Sure it can. So our system uses an amazing system called ACAT. It uses artificial intelligence. In fact, we're the only credit repair company that uses artificial intelligence. It's so effective, we've been able to scale up the ranks competing with the biggest of credit repair companies because that's how effective it really is. So there's a link above or below this video. Go ahead and click it, and I'll see you on the other side.
So, like I said, be careful who you get your information from. Just don't trust these scammers. All they want to do is convince you that they have this special backdoor method nobody has, but they can't prove it because it does not exist. But as a consumer and somebody that does not know about credit repair, when a consumer hears this, they're thinking, oh wow, this guy's got something nobody else does. Then he takes your money and runs. If y'all have any questions about the video, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great weekend.